Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu says, we were at Zulhulayfa, a place in Tihama, along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we got goats and camels as booty. The people hastily put their meat in the casseroles to be cooked. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, they were overturned at the behest of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam counted 10 goats equal to 1 camel. So a camel fled away, and there were a few horse riders among the people. Then a man shot an arrow at it and halted it with the arrow. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cattle are also feral like wild animals. So do the same with the animal that went out of your control. Abaya bin Rafi'a narrates that his grandfather submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have expectation and fear that we will face the enemies tomorrow, but we do not have a knife, so can we slaughter with bamboo splinter? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, hurry up or see the thing which causes the blood to flow, and Allah's name is mentioned on it. The animal, then eat it except the tooth or fingernail, and I tell you its reason. Tooth is a bone, and the nail is a knife of the Ethiopians. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2507.